Sure you're going? A 2?
2.
Yeah, go for a 2. It's a good.
Yeah, make a change. It's been quite long for a while, hasn't it?
Yeah. It's called
You've got to go 18 months.
Yeah. It's called COVID-19.
Not when your missus too scared to cut your hair.
Oh man, I let my missus do it twice during lockdown. Once was decent, second time my neck was like
Yeah.
on the slant.
So have you cut your own hair? Or
No. She's been
don't call her she, you're on camera. My beloved
We
wife.
were indoors.
exactly.
My beloved wife, yeah, come on, you're going to be
My
on
lovely
YouTube.
lady.
You're a lovely
Right.
lady. You're going to be on YouTube.
She's done a good job, mate.
Yeah,
she
I
kept
agree.
Me going. Really good, yeah.
So you're doing a 2, is it?
Yeah, just 2 back and sides. Because obviously we don't want to go too short because he's had it quite long for quite a while.
Yeah, Dean just said something interesting. He still walks, even though he's been a system wearer for a while now, he still walks around, which is really unusual, isn't it, Troy?
Yeah, I mean,
Feeling like you've got something on.
Yeah.
So I think you're being overcritical of that, yeah?
Yeah.
Because, the good comments we got on the previous video, yeah, so you're probably being over analytical.
Yeah, definitely.
I can't believe I said that word without getting it right as well. But
No, I know what I'm like.
Yeah.
I do know what I'm like. I'm a bit of a perfectionist for some things.
which is good. Which is good. Don't ever lose that.
Yeah.
But maybe just chill out on the actual look, because even though you came in with the old system on, I wish I did a video actually. I mean, you wore it well,
That's
you
it.
know, and so there's many positives, yeah.
Yeah, I did ask your opinion as well, mate. So
Yeah.
before
But-
we took it off, so that's good.
I'll give you something to think about.
Yeah.
So, how many negative comments have you had about your hair?
Mate.
None.
Absolutely none.
There we go.
And the other thing is,
Exactly.
I don't think anyone knows. Even my mum and dad don't even know.
Well, there we go. There's a good
And,
example of why you need
yeah.
to chill out over it, because
Yeah.
your folks would say, "Have you had
Yeah.
something done to your hair?" So job done.
Not even that, mate. I don't even get that
Right,
right.
I'm going to come up now because when you
Yeah.
probably can't see on this, but Dean has actually got quite a lot of hair of his own, so you kind of did it at the right time, didn't you? When nobody.
Perfect time. Yeah.
So look, straight away we've just broken down your worries, and you should probably chill out a little bit more.
I'm chilling.
Right, hopefully you can see this. This is Dean's system. Let me have a look. Excuse my dyed hands. But you can see there's a nice blend of dark brown and black at the front. And what I've done, because since he's been wearing a hair system, his hair's got darker. It's dark anyway. So I've just ran a colour which is black, which is quite easy to do, through it. So I'm going to keep the blends. You can probably see it here, and it's just brushed through. At the end of the day, black is black, isn't it? So it'll take quite well, and that'll give the finished result of blended hair system. Dark around the sides and mixture through the middle. We've now got a candidate that wants 3 eyebrows.
That's it.
Yeah, we call it the 3 eyebrows look, where he pushes the hairline down here, and we're asking him to do his eyebrows, and he's refusing to move
So
them.
really, if you raise your eyebrows for me,
No. Yeah, I am.
Come on,
if you raise them quickly.
Okay.
come on, come
So
on.
literally, you can't go any lower than like these creases.
Yeah.
Right.
So the problem is, if you go in these creases, you're just going to get the lip. It's just going to lift.
Plus,
all the time.
your old hairline was there, and we're going lower anyway. Stop being so fussy. and look,
Once you've been wearing one
Yeah, I
for
know.
a while, you get a bit of a preference.
yeah.
don't you?
On a serious note, if you want to spend a few bob on Botox, on that top crease,
Which some people do, I must
which some of the clients do,
Really? Ah, okay.
because our hairlines are so good,
Yeah.
you can actually go a little bit lower. But it's got to be a good hair system off a hair
You can't have as
fall.
many wrinkles as you, mate.
And we're now bring up my Gordon Ramsays,
That's it.
and my hair.
Had your Botox then,
Yeah,
didn't you?
no, yeah, hardly. Look, right.
Yeah, true
There you
that.
go.
But my hair system is positioned right on the last line.
So,
So I'm just as bad as you,
we're
basically.
just going to do a quick template.
Sure.
So we're only going to use it for the system that we got to make work.
Troy's just doing a template because we're using one of my Magic Box systems, and slightly customising it outside, so it's easier for Troy to get a fresh template to do that. So I haven't told Dean this yet, but he's going to do a live stream on YouTube with me in a couple of days to discuss with the world about your experience with hair systems.
Oh dear.
They've all been pretty good. We have our you know I'm open and honest. We have had a shedding problem with the systems, but I reckon we've worked out why that is. It's not a system fault. I got a feeling that Dean may scratch at night because it's one area. It's round there twice. Yeah, one of the systems has been sent back to repair, which is taking longer than we expected. But though it will be come back and then you can use it again. So believe it or not, mate, if you really do want to stop that, you're going to have to look like Michael Jackson at night and wear gloves. Yeah?
Yeah.
No, on a serious level, because it stops you itching.
Told me before, haven't you?
Yeah, so, or, you know, there's some people that wear the hair nets. Don't look good in bed, mate, especially with your missus. It definitely won't be one of your intimate nights. Yeah? You can join in. But on a serious level, it does make things last. So,
Yeah.
you know, everyone's on a budget. Good hair systems, we do, and we want them to last long. As you know,
Yeah.
this one
Yeah.
is close to 12 months now,
Yeah.
and Troy's is 9 months.
No,
so,
it's done well. It has
Yeah.
done well. Like I said, it only just started going like that,
yeah,
didn't it?
and you pretty much had to self-maintain straight. You've went ahead during lockdown, didn't you? Or no, just before, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's just before.
Just
well,
before, but you've spent, what was it, 13, 14 months having to deal with it yourself, haven't you?
That's right. Yeah.
So all in all, you know, it's been
Yeah.
a success,
Yeah, it's
and
been good. Yeah.
like I said earlier, well, everyone knows now, but nobody knows in your family, so you should just have a bit more confidence in
That's
the
it.
system.
Yeah, no one knows. No one suspects anything. Pulled it off really well.
Pulled it off, excuse the pun.
Yeah, true that.
But on a quick note, so when we do the YouTube video, I promise you that the only thing that you won't be naked, you have your hair on, but you promise me that you won't come on with your hair on and naked.
I promise. Man. Well, I don't know.
That's the wrong site, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, okay, so that's Ghost Bond Supreme, yeah?
Today.
And just put in, do you put one or two coats on?
So
John?
I always put two when I'm doing like a regroom.
Yeah,
When I'm doing a fit in, I put three
yeah.
because obviously when I got to cut it, I got to comb the hair quite a lot,
Yeah,
so
that's a
it
good
obviously
point.
starts to lift a little bit more.
Right, okay.
And then we may have to do a couple of little touch-ups just at the end, just in case. But
That makes sense, what you just said then.
Yeah.
Gives you a chance to do your job properly then, yeah, if it's secure, right?
yeah, exactly. I don't have to worry about it lifting quite as much.
Yeah,
Like I said, you may get the occasional tiny little lift at the front when you start brushing the hair up.
yeah, it's true.
Just because, you know, you've been pulling it for the last 40 minutes or so.
Yeah.
So, but then we just get a little cotton bud and we touch them up and they'll be same.
I've got a little fine little brush at home to do that.
Like the artist brush.
Yeah, the
Yeah, they're
tiny,
spot
tiny little
on.
modelling one.
Yeah.
Just to get. I don't,
see, I use
yeah. Yeah, okay.
It's like earbuds like these.
The only trouble with them though, if you leave the cotton buds too long, sometimes they leave the cotton bud out.
Yeah,
I just use it for a few seconds. I literally get a little bit of glue on the end
yeah.
and I go like that and then
Yeah.
I use the other end to wipe off any excess.
Yeah, I do that in Consi when I'm just putting a sample on, but
Yeah.
occasionally I rub it too hard and leave some of the cotton bud
Oh
on.
no, I don't do that.
But on the plus side, you can see that through the lace. You can see how good the lace
Yeah,
is.
I've never done that.
But you
That's
develop,
because I'm useless. Because I
develop
put it
your
on like a hammer.
Try to get it as low as you want it without looking silly.
Okay. Beautiful again. Okay, that was ruined. You can see why I didn't go into production. I've just been filming superb hairline. There we go, just showing that. So how natural it looks for the YouTube police. Hair for all hairline. Excellent. Troy just doing the pressing down with the lace. Can't even see the lace, which is fantastic. Skin coloured. So what Troy's doing is using this Tresemme conditioner for a new system that's always a little bit bouncy, and just puts it in his hand and then brushes it through. It gives it a kind of wet appearance, but takes out the bounciness when clients leave the salon. And it's really useful to use in the first few days of a fresh hair system, because fresh, new, bit bouncy, so just putting that into the system works a treat. That looks fantastic. You happy with that?
Well happy with that.
Well happy. You happy, Troy?
It looks good to me.
Yeah, okay.
Troy's happy because it looks like Troy.
Right, yeah.
He asked for it like mine
Yeah,
as
yeah, that's all right. What's wrong with mine? What's wrong with the swoosh? I'm upset now.
Ain't got that many grades, have you?
Yes. We're going to wait till we go grey.
Right, come on then, spin him round then, if you can manage. Troy, I know you're the strong one in here.
Go find the seat and pump.
What are you trying to do?
Not that you've been
pump.
not that you've been moaning about your back and your knees, the dodgy
You
knees.
do as many hours as me.
Yeah, definitely on your feet. 14 hours since lockdown, pretty much. 14-hour days, bless him.
Works hard.
Yeah, very hard. Right, that looks fantastic. Well pleased. Give us a thumbs up, young man. Really good stuff. Dean's done a terrific job, but I can't help promoting Proud to be British. Sorry about that. That's probably the most. Sorry, this is the most important part of the video. Right, okay. Of course, you're proud to be British, aren't you? So you stay there. Right, you can see the hairline looks absolutely fantastic. If you turn a little bit that way, that's it. Spot there, and I'll come in, skin coloured, so move your head forward like this, and you can see it looks fantastic. So give us a thumbs up. And YouTube sensation, we're doing live.
Brilliant.
All right,
Thanks,
cheers,
Phil.
mate. No worries. So we just moved the hair down to show its flexibility, and looks fine. You look boyish, mate.
Yeah,
so
it's good, mate.
Here comes the YouTube video with me. Take care.
See you later, Phil.
Bye.